Hello, I'm Vincent from Tech Museum. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like and subscribe our channel. Don't forget to click to get notifications. Now, some of you still asking me whether NBA League Pass India method is still working. Now I have to tell you that yes, because I am still subscribing NBA League Pass in India, but now you have to switch to another VPN provider. So I've got some great offers like Surfshark VPN or iTop VPN, which they got India server. I have listed in the description box. If you guys are interested, do check out in the description box below. You can see that after we connect, make sure you have to connect to Surfshark VPN and then log in. Don't connect it after logging in or visiting NBA website. Otherwise, NBA site may get complex and block your account. Now, this is something you have to make sure. If you can avoid, just clear the cache, and I have teach you in the previous NBA cheap hack tutorial. Now you can see that today's date is October 6th, Thursday. Now I'm here to show you that the live streaming NBA TV 24/7 is working, and you can see that whether when we play the matches, yes, this is also working for us. However, as my internet connection speed is not that fast, so it's a little bit laggy, but it's alright because when I try at home, it's very smooth, because I want to film this movie as soon as possible to let everyone to see that this method is working. So thanks for watching. If you like my video, do subscribe and support us. Join our Discord group if you got some of your questions, but actually I saw some of you may got issues in purchasing, but I don't know why, because everyone got different situations. So what I suggest you to do is to clear cache, switch another VPN and try again. Just do some simple troubleshooting in order to purchase it successfully in India. See you in the next video. Goodbye.